فإني قريب. Dua number 13.
قالوا ربنا لا تجعلنا مع القوم الظالمين.
Our Lord, do not place us with the wrongdoing people. This is ayah number 47 of Surah Al-A'raf. رَبَّنَا لَا تَجْعَلْنَا مَعَ الْقَوْمِ الظَّالِمِينَ. This is a very simple, small dua, yet very powerful. Because in this dua, you're asking Allah SWT to save you from being around people who commit sins and do wrong to themselves. And you're asking for the whole nation of wrongdoers to stay away from you. What are you doing? What are you asking in this dua? Basically, in other words, you're asking to be surrounded by good people because company has a great impact. Also, no matter where you live, there will always be people around you who are wrong. So, by asking this dua, you will be safe from their evil بإذن رَبَّنَا لَا تَجْعَلْنَا مَعَ الْقَوْمِ الظَّالِمِينَ. Our Lord, do not place us with the wrongdoing people. Ameen. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.